So hey guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, let me say welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back guys. And if you are new here, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Stephanie. I'm the host of this channel, and you certainly did pick a great time to check out this channel. So guys, I am super excited. As you can tell by the thumbnail, this is crazy what's going on. It is oh so great, oh so wonderful, and I am legit over the moon about what's happening here. So if you want to see what this is all about and find out why I am so excited, then keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. So, hey guys, yes, wow, am I excited to be bringing you this video. Well, I did tell you that some good things were coming, and this is definitely, by far, one of the greatest things that has happened to me. I'm collabing with Jaz Up My Style, okay? Now, y'all know I talk about her all the time on this channel, all the time. And that's because she's been such a huge influence in my life. She's just been, you know, on an everyday basis. She's a wonderful person. She's a great influencer here on YouTube. We need so many more positive people like her here on this platform. And I just cannot say thank you enough. Jasmine, thank you, thank you. Thank you not only for helping me through so many things, like stuff you don't even know about, but also thank you for being my friend. Guys, when she reached out to me, I was driving and I had to pull over. I was shaking. I could not drive. I mean, literally had to pull over. I think I pulled into a gas station and I didn't even like go all the way in. I just stopped the car, threw it in park, and that was it. I picked up the phone like to see if I was, you know, am I reading this right? And I, you know, being my silly self, I went ahead and I typed, as my hands were shaking, can I think about it? And then I immediately followed with yes. I thought about it. Yes. You know, I was kidding, but yes, for something like this to happen, it's just the greatest thing. And Jasmine, I do want to say thank you. I'm so appreciative, so grateful. So guys, what's going on is, as you can see by the thumbnail, all that makeup, right? We did a box swap. Okay, that's what's going on here. We did do a box swap. Now I do have some rules that I'm going over because you guessed it, we are having a giveaway. When she asked me to collab, we hashed out some ideas, and what we came up with, and I think it's so perfect. Valentine's Day in February, it's all about appreciation, and somehow it, you know, morphed into like the month of love or what have you. But it's not just for boyfriend, girlfriend, or spouses or significant others. It's also for people you care about, you know. It's the month or the day, I guess, but I kind of look at it as like a whole entire month that, you know, you take a person you care about or people you care about and say thank you and tell them how much they mean to you. So that's what we're doing. Because you guys mean so much to us, she did send a box to me of makeup, and I did send one to her. However, it's not for me, it's for you guys. So I'm having the giveaway, but she's kind of giving you the stuff. So there you have it. And I'm so excited. This is so great. So I don't want to spend hours and hours on this video because listen, you know me, I can go on and on, but I just want to say that I'm super excited. And again, very grateful. I mean, Jasmine, I love you. Thank you so much for just being my friend and being such a positive influence in my life. So, guys, when I say she sent over a box, I'm not kidding. Listen, I could no way go through every single thing that's in this giveaway. What I will do is I will take a screenshot and I will try to add it in here somewhere if I can. And, you know, but I am going to show you some of this stuff very quickly, just go over a few of the things that are going to be in here. And oh my gosh, guys, wait till you see. Okay, so hang on one second. Okay, guys, so when I say a box, I mean a box. Okay, so let me just take this out because, okay, I'm going to set a couple things here. So give me 1 second. That was a heck of a unboxing here. Okay, so I have a pile here. So let me just quickly run through some things. Okay, so for instance, we do have like a beauty tool. You definitely need to get this. The jade rollers are great. I have a couple of them, as a matter of fact, just to get those juices going and the glands, you know, everything to get it going. All right. We have a Pixie by, everything's dropping. We have a Pixie by Petra palette right here. And guys, I love Pixie by Petra. They are so great to work with. They really are. So easy, so blendable. It's great. We do have the Blush and Bronze palette by K Beauty, okay, which I'm thinking is, and if the ring light's reflecting, I'm sorry. And we do have some sponges. Guys, I love these sponges. I have so many, like tons of them. So there's a 4-pack there. We have a palette from BH Cosmetics. It's titanium palette right here, okay. And then also, this is a brush set. Guys, I'm not going to open up. It's like this big, okay? So, you do have a brush set there. So, to apply the shadows, we do have I have this palette myself. This is the Storybook Cosmetics, and it is the Fairy Tale from, I believe it's like Little Briar Rose. Guys, these two shades, I mean, I use this palette. On a regular, I go for this or this as my transition shades. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful shadows. I'm always reaching for those two colors because they're just perfect, you know. And even when I want to blend out my bottom lash line, they work really well for that as well. And now look, if you know my girl Jazz, okay, she loves e.l.f. and she has turned me on to e.l.f. too. I have quite a few items from them and I am loving them. She put in the Super Mask. Now I can't say this word, guys, but it's a calming mask. It's anti-redness. It's infused with hold on 1 second. Eye sciatic, I believe that's what it is. And yeah, and it is the Super Mask right there, if you can see. See the sun coming in? Oh, brother. Okay, so, and then we do have an e.l.f. primer. It's a hydrating primer, which I do use this. I have this item. And then we have another Pixie by Petra. This is an eyeliner. And guys, I'm telling you, creamy, I love it. I just love it. Okay, so we have the QMS. I do have this. I use the whole bottle, okay? I don't have any more, but because I use the whole bottle. But QMS, it's for like the top line here. We do have this Color Strike, which these things are oh so cool. You can just swipe them on. You unscrew this, and then you can just like swipe on the shadows, just like they show in the picture right here. So awesome. And that's a beautiful color. Check that out. Okay. And then she got, I don't know where she got, I have to find out where she got these because I want some of these. They had, these are little shadows. They're little quads from Almay. Guys, I used to buy Almay all the time. Okay. She's got a cup. There's, I believe, 3 of these palettes in here. One is the purple. One is the green. And I believe there's like a more neutral one. But these guys are so cute. Look at those. I mean, you know, you throw them in your purse, you're good to go. There is a Color Pop. We have some Color Pop in here for like, I believe this goes in those palettes, like create your own palette, the Z palette. I have my own Z palette, so these are awesome to put in there. And there's the shade right there. Really great blendable shade, you know, lighten up any color or buff colors out. Wonderful for that. There is the Skin Fix. This is the foaming clay cleanser. It's non-irritating, which I am, you know, that's a plus. Guys, I love Skin Fix. I have the top. I was looking for the bottle and I couldn't find it, but I do. This is the top to the Skin Fix eye cream. I use it all the time. I love this brand. I really do. I got it in Trend Box and I've been hooked ever since. But wait, there's more. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, where did it go? Okay, here we go. We have the Believe Beauty. This is a blush. And guys, this is a great affordable brand. It really is. I have one blush. It may even be this one. I have to check, but I do think it may be this color right here. Beautiful. It's a nice, it's kind of like a bronzy, not a bronzy. It's kind of like a satiny type blush, but I think it's this one that I have. Beautiful, goes on great. And then she also put in this ginormous thing. Oh, here's the other Almay palette. It slipped down there. Okay, see, nice and neutral. There you have it. Oh, awesome. She did also put this in. Now, guys, my ring light's going to kill it. But here we have this, okay? And you do have 2 body lotions, I believe. Yes, there's a body lotion here, a body lotion here. This is bath salts if you want to take a bath. And guys, this is a really cool loofah. It's not one of those scratchy kinds. I personally don't like them. I feel like I don't know, my skin is like raw, but that one looks like a really good one. It looks like it'll be awesome. There is a brand in here, guys, that is near and dear to my heart. I will tell you. And here it is. This is the... Okay, let me just explain. There's a little bit of a story, and I will be very quick with it. When I first started watching Jazz, I mean, I had bought makeup in the past, but I wasn't really wearing makeup. And, of course, I didn't know a thing about it. So when I wanted to go out, she was talking about this brand on her channel and how blendable it was and how affordable it was. So I went out and I bought my first I bought my first legit palette, like my first bought palette. And it was from Profusion, right? It was the Wonderlust palette. Now, I was drawn to color, so it has a little more color in it. But then I needed neutrals, right? Because why? I need everything. So I went ahead and I got this one. So I do have this palette. So this is what, like, started it all, like, this brand. And this is a really good brand, guys. It's very affordable, blends out like a dream. And, you know, pigmented AF, whatever. But yeah, it is. Wonderful brand. I highly recommend it. So that's just a couple things. I mean, guys, it's the box, all right? And there's stuff at the bottom. I'm not going to be like this trying to get it. So I will, like I said, I will try. Oops, sorry for the shaking. I will try and insert a photo of everything laid out. If I can fit it, I don't know if I can fit it. So that's it, guys. That's what we're doing. We want to do this giveaway and do this box swap with each other. And like I sent her a box as well. So she's going to do a giveaway on her channel and I'm doing a giveaway on this channel. But it's basically her giving to you and me giving to her people. So let's get to the rules, shall we? You know, I'm in my ADD brain, I will forget. I do know that you must be subscribed to both of our channels, okay? Now, because this is, you know, it's both of us and it is a collab. I can't believe I'm saying that. Okay, it is a collab and you must, you know, it's the both of us. So what you need to do is you need to be subscribed to both our channels. And guys, please check your accounts and make sure they are on public, because that is really the only way we have to verify that you are subscribed. And you know me, I would hate to disqualify anyone for anything like that, okay? So just, you know, maybe check and give it a little extra look, all right? Look, see, and make sure that you are public. I want to pull them up so that I don't get anything wrong. Now, remember, guys, they will be all linked down in the description box below. If I miss anything, yes, you must be subscribed to both channels and click the notification bell so that, you know, you're notified each and every time we both upload, because who knows, I would love to do this again with her. I know I would. You must give the video, both our videos, you must give both videos a thumbs up, big old thumbs up. Okay, share this video on any social media, because I'm doing this giveaway just a little bit different, guys. A little bit, but not really, sort of, kind of. All right, so you do get bonus entries, okay? Bonus are if you comment on 2 other videos. So if you go to my videos, which, you guys, I love the fact that you always comment. So if you want to comment on 2 other videos, you know, maybe something to do with this giveaway so that I know that is the comment that you are using as your bonus entry. Let's see, what else? What did I miss? Okay, and what you must write, what your comment must be. I want you, what we're going to do here, we came up with this, and I think it's a really good idea. First of all, comment down below where you're from, okay? City and state where you're from. You don't have to give me, please do not put any addresses or anything. Just a general city or state, you know, where you're from. And also, you're going to comment down below not only where you're from, but why you should win this giveaway. Okay, guys, we want to do this in a positive way. Like, that is what Jasmine's all about. And, you know, from my channel, you guys know that's what I'm about. When you click out of my video or you click off of my video when it's over, that you feel better than when, you clicked on it. You know, hopefully I made you laugh, or I did something with my silly self that, you know, put a smile on your face, because ultimately it boils down to that. Having a good experience. We do all things beauty, but beauty isn't a lot of things, guys. It's not just makeup. It's, you know, working from within yourselves, loving yourselves, which is what Jazz preaches all the time, and I love it. It's her message. It's, you know, positivity, you know, embracing yourself, loving yourself, having the courage to love yourself. And, you know, everybody is beautiful. We all are beautiful. Every single person. Being unique is the most beautiful thing in the world. That's for coming from me. That's how I feel. And yeah, she had a huge part of me making creating this channel. I mean, I'm not going to say that, you know, because I was just not doing it. And I kept, after, you know, reaching out and speaking to her, when I first clicked on her videos, she said, just do it, just do it, just do it. And I wasn't in the right frame of mind. Remember, I told you I made this channel coming out of a bad place. Well, she is one of the greatest influences that helped me to get out of that place. And yeah, like, I went ahead and I turned on the camera, and the rest is history. And here we are, okay? So also, I want you to remember to tell me a way to contact you. I need a way to contact you privately, or, if you're not comfortable with your email, maybe over on IG, what have you. And that's it, guys. This giveaway will run for 3 weeks. And let's see. Oh, and it says winners will have another opportunity on my Instagram page as well. Please do not contact me about winning. Yada, yada, yada. Right? And the winner will be announced in the comment section and or on Instagram. Okay? So, and you will, of course, everything will be linked down below in case I missed anything. And yeah, guys, that's it. Again, we did this because we want to show how much we care about you. You guys are everything. We appreciate you and care about you in the biggest and best way. And this is how, we feel maybe we can show that to you. So, again, I want to say to each and every one of you, if you are whether you're new or you've been following me, here on this channel for a long time, thank you. Thank you very much for tuning in. Thank you for being a part, and thank you for being my force. You guys are my force that keeps me going. You really are. I never not want to film. I always want to film. It's just a matter of, sometimes I can't film when I want to, and that stinks, but I never not want to be in front of the camera talking to you guys, Okay, I'm done. I don't want to blah, blah, on. So, until I see you in the next one, guys, remember, if you are blue or something is bothering you, please reach out and talk to someone. Grab someone you love. Grab a stranger. Hell, grab me. I don't care. I'm always available, and I would love to talk to you. Also, in this crazy mixed up world, you know what I always say, guys, stay safe. And I am not going to close this video with goodbye because that is too final. My grandpa said, once, when you say goodbye, that's the end. That's like, forever type thing. So what I will say is, until the next one, guys, see ya.